this is Mike with Hurlick Hauling, and today we're putting a 8x12 shed up a couple hundred feet. All right, the shed is in place. The next thing we're doing here is removing about 20 yards of fill dirt, loose debris, down the hill into a bog. Sometimes things don't go according to plan. So, you improvise. Let's get this sucker out of here. And we are done for the day. Combed up all of the chipped and mulched tree debris, graded the hill so it's all topsoil all the way up. Got rid of that big dirt pile in the corner and put the shed up top in its new location. Graded the bog a little bit so some usable space down there. Loading up, on to the next one.